always find it interesting when I hear people talk about heartworm season, as though the mosquitoes are really bad, so we're now forced to give heartworm prevention. But the other side of the coin is when people start considering the fact that maybe there's a non-heartworm season, and the fact that maybe when it's cold outside and there are fewer mosquitoes that we don't need to give heartworm prevention at all. Well, we all know that in the summertime, mosquitoes are much worse and the threat for infection is tremendous. But I've seen 3 days after a snowstorm, the swarming mosquitoes come out, and it's amazing to me how they can find a way to find comfort and hide and survive. And as soon as it starts getting warm, for them to begin to reemerge from wherever their hiding place is. So the bottom line is I think maybe we ought to consider a little different concept, and not a time of year where there's less threat, but maybe a time of year where there's a greater threat. And maybe instead of doing less in the cooler months, we should consider doing more in the warmer months. So when the mosquito problem is the worst, we might want to consider doing a little additional protection. And that would include, of course, never missing your heartworm prevention. It would include treating the environment to reduce the mosquito population. It certainly may entail keeping your pets indoors when the mosquitoes are most actively feeding, and that would be dusk to dawn. And certainly when mosquitoes are carrying your pet away, you might consider the addition of a topical product that may actually repel and kill mosquitoes.